parcel from Amazon. Oh, Amazon. Wow. Okay, I got it. The parcel. Whoa, let's check what is inside. So let's open this one. Wow. So let's unpack this one. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited what is in here. Super excited. Pack this one. Can see me. Comes this one. Let's open. Guess what is this? Oh, it's too hard. Okay. Okay. Oops. My camera. Okay. Oh wow, Dossier, I don't know how to say it, and everything. Okay, and, oops, so it's empty now. So I have 3. So this one, so let's start from the first one. So this one is Amber Saffron Perfume. Warning for stiller. Use only if it is of course Amber EOD perfume. Wow. It's 50 ml. Let's open Amber Saffron. So this is the... Okay, how to open this one? Okay, I don't know how to open this one. Ah, okay. It's here. Just remove this one. Now I know. Just here and here. Wow. Wow, perfume. Wow. Oh my god. So beautiful packaging. Very beautiful. Wow. It's Amberry. This is Amberry Saffron Perfume. Eau de Perfume. Yeah, Eau de Perfume. So Dossier. I don't know how to say that one. Forward Center, New York. Made in France. Made in France. Iconic scents. Designer quality. No markups. Wow. So let's test this one. Let's open and smells this one. Oh wow, nice smell. I can smell. Lovely smells. It smells like a fresh flower. Wow. I love the smell. I love the smell of this one. So this is that one. So this one and the other one. This is Sandalwood. This one is Amber Saffron, and this one is Sandalwood. It stays the Sandalwood. Let's open it. Comes from here. Oh wow. Woody Sandalwood Perfume. Eau de Perfume Dossier from Dossier. Look at it. So let's open. And here it has a nice one. Look at. And wait. Oh, smells lovely. Wow. I prefer this one. I like the smell. And also love that one. It's all lovely smell. Wow. I smell perfume now. There's only for men and women. Yeah. And this one, the 3 is, this is Floral Marshmallow. Floral Dossier, from Dossier. Floral Marshmallow. Let's open. Where's this? Where's the opening thing? This one. From the front of the seer, and there's one like that. Oh wow, floral marshmallow. There's a nice one. Floral marshmallow, top notes marshmallow, normally bergamot, middle notes orange blossom, base notes amber vanilla musk. Thank you. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury expired fragrance for price giving. You're the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. Okay. Concentration 80 venture house. Your dossier order has to test. Okay. Concentration is 18%. Wow. So this look like a, this is red color. Floral marshmallow. Floral marshmallow. Wow. Smells it. Oh, I love it. Oh, it smells like fresh marshmallow. Wow. This is one of my favorite. It smells like, look at, it's like a magnetic. You don't need to do anything. It's a magnetic. Wow. 50 ml. Just 50 ml. All 50 ml. It's a travel friendly. Wow, I love the marshmallow. From all the three of us, I love the smell of the marshmallow. It's something like fresh scent. But I really love this product as well. But all the product that I do, this one is the best for me. It's the same in my dress today. So yeah, what are you waiting for, guys? This one is Ambery Saffron is 50 ml, and this one is Woody Sandalwood. Is EOD perfume, floral marshmallow perfume. So this one, it comes, I have the description in here. You can order this one via their website. So it's here. I'll show you this dossier perfume. So, and you can check this one in their website. They have their website there. Is a website here around in the UK. You can order a world this one. Yeah, and I show you where is it, yeah, it's lovely smell. But with the three of this, my favorite is this one. I love the smell for this one. Yeah, and really love the smell. Oh, it's still here. It doesn't remove. It doesn't come up. It's still here. Yeah, it lasts longer. This perfume, it can last longer. So the name is here. The name of this product is Dossier. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's the same as is this one. Dossier. I don't know, wasn't, yeah, like that. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy of this product. Really happy. But the other one, there's no description in it. But I will see it. I will check in their website. I will see their website. Just a second, guys. And then yeah, it's really long lasting perfume. You can order it in their website, guys, and it lasts longer. Oh, it's still here. I love this one, the smell, and also this one, I love the smell. So don't forget, this is the floral marshmallow, 50 ml. This is one of my favorite. It's a red color. And this one, the same, 50 ml, 1.7 FLOZ or 50 ml. So this is distributed for World Trade Center, New York. So this one, woody sandalwood wood perfume, eau de perfume. So yeah, woody sandalwood. It's in yellow color. And this one, this is neutral color. It look like a watercolor, clear color. Amberry saffron perfume, eau de perfume. So it's the same. It's 50 ml. Yeah. So what are you waiting for? Just order. Just order. I will show you this description in my box, in my comment section, guys. So this one, guys, you can use this one through winter, for the UK weather, winter, summer, any kind of weather, because it's the smells is so lovely, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just order from Dossier. Just click on the website. This is quality fragrance, and it can last longer. The fragrance can last longer. So wow, I'm so happy. I'm very happy for this product, guys. Really happy. So yeah, and this one was this Floral Marshmallow, has a label for each order. BC Saffron. Okay, for the order, for the everything, for the, yeah, for the information. So yes, perfect. I don't hesitate. I don't regret to order this one. So Iconic Scents, designer quality, no markups, from Dossier. So it is, this is the description here. Amber Saffron. This is Amber Saffron perfume. Warning for external use only. If irritation occurs, discontinue. So it's everything, this one. So this one is just, so this is made in France. Wow, this is original one. This is original. I really love the smell. So its quality is 50 ml. So it's travel friendly, guys. It's travel friendly. So just make it sure you have like this, because this is good for weather, any weather, like winter time, summer. So as I told you again and again, so sandalwood wood. So this is you can choose like this one. I think this is for the women's scent, and this is also for the men perfume. Just check the website, the Dossier. Yes, you can choose any of the men's perfume and the women's perfume. Yeah. So I think this one is also unisex, because it looks like it's good also for men. Yeah, it's like, look at the name, Dossier, like that. So yes, guys. So thank you. What are you waiting for? Just order. Check the website, and I put the link in my comment section. So yes, that's one. So thank you for watching. I hope you click like and subscribe. Bye bye.